Hey there, food lovers. Let's talk about balanced meals. A balanced meal has three main parts: protein, veggies, and grains. These foods work together to keep you healthy and strong. Eating balanced meals is easy. You don't need fancy ingredients or to be a chef. All you need is a little know-how, and that's what I'm here for. I'll show you how to make yummy, healthy meals. Balanced meals do wonders for your body. They give you energy, help you focus, and even improve your mood. When you eat right, you feel right. And the best part? You can make these meals in no time. So, are you ready to start your food adventure? Great! Let's dive in. We'll explore each part of a balanced meal. You'll learn why they're important and get lots of tasty ideas. Let's get cooking. Protein is super important for your body. It's like the bricks that build a house. Your body uses protein to make muscles, skin, and even blood. Without protein, your body can't work right. That's why we need to eat it every day. There are lots of yummy proteins to choose from. Chicken, fish, and lean beef are great options. But meat isn't the only way to get protein. Eggs, beans, and tofu are awesome too. Here's a fun fact. Protein helps you feel full. That means you won't get hungry as fast. Protein also helps your muscles grow strong. Everyone needs it. Want an easy protein idea? Try a chicken stir-fry. Cut up some chicken breast, cook it with your favorite veggies, and add some soy sauce. Or make a quick omelet with eggs and cheese. It's fast, easy, and full of protein. See? Eating protein can be super simple and tasty. Veggies are like nature's candy. They come in all colors and flavors. And they're packed with good stuff your body needs. Vitamins, minerals, fiber. Veggies have it all. The more colors you eat, the better. Green veggies like spinach and broccoli are superstars. They're full of iron and calcium. Orange veggies like carrots have lots of vitamin A. That's great for your eyes. Red veggies like tomatoes have something called lycopene. It's good for your heart. Eating veggies is easier than you think. Roast them in the oven with a little oil and salt, or throw them in a smoothie with some fruit. Here's a quick veggie trick. Keep cut-up veggies in your fridge. When you're hungry, they're ready to eat. Dip them in hummus or ranch dressing. Small changes can make a big difference. Grains are like fuel for your body. They give you energy to run, play, and think. Whole grains are the best kind. They have all the good parts of the grain. This means more vitamins and fiber for you. Fiber helps keep your tummy happy and healthy. There are so many grains to try. Brown rice, quinoa, and oats are just a few. Whole wheat bread and pasta count too. They're easy ways to add grains to your meals. Grains do more than give you energy. They help you feel full for longer. This can stop you from snacking too much. Grains also have B vitamins. These help your body turn food into energy. Some grains even have protein. Want an easy grain idea? Make a big batch of brown rice. Keep it in your fridge. Or try overnight oats. Grains can be fast and delicious. Now comes the fun part, putting it all together. A balanced meal is like a puzzle. You need a piece of protein, a handful of veggies, and some grains. When you put them together, you get a perfect picture of health. Start with your plate. Fill half of it with veggies, then add your protein. It should take up about a quarter of your plate. The last quarter is for your grains. This is the magic formula for a balanced meal. How about grilled chicken, roasted broccoli, and quinoa? Or try a veggie stir-fry with tofu and brown rice. Balanced meals should make you feel good and happy. Congratulations! You're now a balanced meal expert. You know all about protein, veggies, and grains. You know why they're important and how to use them. But the real fun is just beginning. It's time to start your food adventure. Don't be afraid to experiment. Try new foods, mix different proteins, veggies, and grains. You might discover a new favorite meal. And remember, nobody's perfect. If you don't like something, that's okay. There are lots of other options to try. Get your family or friends involved. Every meal is a chance to do something good for your body. So go on, get in that kitchen and start cooking.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the notification bell so you don't miss any updates. Tell us in the comments about the drinks and foods you like. Until next time, stay healthy and happy.